Common action verbs with pictures and examples. Run. Run. Example. The kids love to run around in the backyard. Walk. Walk. Example. He walks to work to save money on transportation. Jump. Jump. Example. The little boy gabbles his prayers and jumps into bed. Give. Give. Example. It is better to give than to receive. Ride. Ride. Example. They like to ride their bikes in the park. Sit down. Sit down. Example. I just want to sit down and relax. Stand up. Stand up. Example. She didn't even have the strength to stand up. Laugh. Laugh. Example. You never laugh at my jokes. Fight. Fight. Example. They gathered soldiers to fight the invading army. Read. Read. Example. I'm trying to read the map. Play. Play. Example. Let's play a different game. Listen. Listen. Example. See, listen, and be silent, and you will live in peace. Cry. Cry. Example. It's all right. Don't cry. Think. Think. Example. I think this is their house, but I'm not sure. Sing. Sing. Example. I just can't sing in tune. Watch. Watch. Example. Would you like to play? No thanks, I'll just watch. Dance. Dance. Example. The girls performed a graceful dance. Win. Win. Example. She loves to win the game. Fly. Fly. Example. Penguins can't fly. Cut. Cut. Example. She cut the paper into small pieces. Throw. Throw. Example. Can you throw me that towel? Turn. Turn. Example. I can't get the screw to turn. Sleep. Sleep. Example. I can't sleep at night. Close. Close. Example. The doors open and close automatically. Open. Open. Example. Please push the door to open it. Write. Write. Example. She plans to write her memoirs. Eat. Eat. Example. Would you like something to eat? Drink. Drink. Example. Do you want a drink? Cook. Cook. Example. Where did you learn to cook? Wash. Wash. Example. You should always wash your hands before meals. Wait. Wait. Example. I had to wait in line at the bank. Climb. Climb. Example. You can climb to the top of the tower and take in the view. Talk. Talk. Example. They talk a lot about the inspiration for their music. Crawl. Crawl. Example. A child learns to crawl before he learns to walk. Dream. Dream. Example. Hope is but the dream of those that wake. Dig. Dig. Example. I'm going to dig down this wall. Clap. Clap. Example. I clap my hands. Buy. Buy. Example. She had no money to buy a ticket. Knit. Knit. Example. Knit the blouse and you'll have an idea. Sew. Sew. Example. She sews all her own clothes. Smell. Smell. Example. He said he could smell gas when he entered the room. Kiss. Kiss. Example. Do people in Britain kiss when they meet? Hug. Hug. Example. A silent hug means 1,000 words to the unhappy heart. Snore. Snore. Example. If you snore, it's better not to sleep on your back. Bathe. Bathe. Example. I bathe every day. Paint. Paint. Example. A good face needs no paint. Dive. Dive. Example. You dive in first and test the temperature of the water. Ski. Ski. Example. Our children want to learn to ski. Stack. Stack. Example. Please stack your chairs before you leave.